Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking into Microsoft Excel and using one of its features called slicers. Now, as you all know, Microsoft Excel is very well known for doing important calculations within minutes, and for the same purpose it is also known for assembling wide range of data into order and for our ease to handle it. So for this purpose, I have gathered this random data from the internet. You can also get it. It's a sales data about some items, and it's gonna mention the unit price, and total sales. And here we have the managers and the salesmen that were working under those managers. So it's a very good data for our test. So we're gonna use the option called slicers. Now, first things first is you have to make sure that your table doesn't have any other stuff that you don't want. It's purely a table with headings and it doesn't have anything else. So it's pretty good. I'm going to go here, insert. So first things first, I'm going to have to make this data into a table. I'm going to click on table here and I'm going to hit OK. Now there you go. This data has been created into a table. Now I want to use some slicers here. Now what slicers basically do? Their job is to slice up data and make sure that it is a sliced data and it is not hidden from the person who's viewing it, that the data is not present there. So in other words, if I just press this button and I just hide this place and I'm gonna hit OK. Now the data is just gone. You can't see that it was there in the first place. So that is the thing that you can use that avoids in slicers. So I'm just gonna hit check here and I'm gonna have all the data again. Now I want to create slicers in it. So to create slicers, you're gonna go to table design here and you're gonna choose insert slicer. And there you go. All of this data is selected and it's asking me which data to include in the slicer. So I'm gonna choose the data that I want to use in the slicers. Let's suppose I want to choose just the manager, salesman, total unit price, and the item. I'm gonna hit OK. And as you can see, it created the 4 slicers that I tagged. Now what do they actually do? Now let's suppose I want to have all the data based on the manager Douglas. I'm going to just click on him and there you go. All of the data related to Douglas is filtered out and is present in front of you. Now it's going to blur out all the other options that were available for all of the other managers. It's going to show just the options for Douglas. Now if I want to put another filter, like let's suppose I want to mark out the sale that was done for 4,329, and there you go, there's just one sale and it was for video games and it sold 74 items and the salesman was Karen. So this is how you can use slicers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.